Hi traders, in this video we are going to be comparing the commodity channel index with the stochastic oscillator. All right, we want to find out which indicator gives better trading results. All right, so let us start by adding both indicators to the chart. Okay, all right. Now, the commodity channel index and the stochastic oscillator are both momentum indicators designed to help traders identify potential overbought and oversold conditions in the market. However, they measure momentum using different methods. The commodity channel index, commonly called the CCI, it measures how far the current price deviates from its average price over a specific period, which you can modify, of course. Right? So because of this calculation, the indicator can move above or below typical ranges rather than staying within fixed boundaries. Traders often watch for readings above positive 100 to indicate, strong to suggest strong upward momentum, and readings below negative 100 to indicate strong downward momentum. Some traders also look for divergence between price and the CCI indicator to identify possible momentum shifts. Now, the stochastic oscillator compares the closing price to the price range over a selected number of periods. Okay, it produces two lines. You can see the two lines, right? That's move between 0 and 100, commonly known as the percentage K and the percentage D lines. As you can see, readings above 80 are often interpreted as overbought conditions, while readings below 20 may suggest oversold conditions. Traders also watch for crossovers between the two lines. You can see, right? Crossovers between the two lines as potential signals of changing momentum. All right. So basically, when you have a crossover to the upside, especially around the oversold level, indicates bullish momentum or rather bullish signal. And then when you have a crossover to the downside, especially around the overbought, territory, it indicates, sell signal. Okay. The main difference is that CCI measures price deviation from the average, while the stochastic oscillator measures where the closing price sits within the recent price range. Both indicators aim to highlight momentum changes, but they approach the analysis from different perspectives. If you found any value in this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on your notifications as well, so that you don't miss out on more valuable trading content. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.